Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Tab M8 4th generation, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the display options. Let's tap on it. Then let's localize the eye protection mode, which is basically the name of the eye comfort here. And let's start with turning it on just by tapping on the switcher. And as you can see, the device changes the colors of the display. It is basically in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. We can customize it also, so let's tap on it. And as you can see, we've got the intensity switcher. By going to the left, we can make it cooler, and by going to the right, much warmer. Of course, it's up to you which option you prefer. You can also schedule that feature. The none option is manual option, so you have to manually turn it on and off. You can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. I believe it is location based, or you can turn it on a custom time, so you can freely choose the start and the end time, and of course your device will apply the mode accordingly. It's up to you. I prefer the none option, so the manual option. And this is the whole customization. If you want to, you can have much faster access to this option. Just unroll the top bar and unroll it fully, and find the eye comfort mode, the icon for eye comfort mode. However, as you can see, in my case, it is not here, or it is. Oh, there is eye protection mode. So let's simply tap on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied. And the same situation if you want to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.